Hello everyone! Another day, another vlog. Samahan niyo ako sa aking Airbnb tour. Ang capacity nito guys is 4 packs. Ayan guys, nandito ako sa bungad ng entrance ng pinto. Ito yung unang yung makikita, kitchen and yan. May sofa bed. At meron din television. At ito yung room. At merong aircon din. At may television din dyan. At may free wifi na rin tong apartment guys. Ayan, pwede ka dyan magluto, mag-grocery ka lang. Meron tayong small refrigerator. At meron din tayong washing machine. Andito yung mga utensil, yan, lutuan. Yan, coffee maker, microwave, oven. Andito yung iba yung mga glass, tasa, glass wine. At meron na rin mga sabon guys. Spray na yan. Sabon panlaba. Ito yung ating plate. Yan guys. At dito yung mga kaldero. Dito yung dining table. At dito naman yung ating bathroom. Yan. Dito ka pwede mag toothbrush. Ito yung ating shower room. May free tissue. Guys. May free na rin shampoo. Thank you guys. Don't forget to like and share sa ating Airbnb tour. Located Milan, Italy. Yan guys.